It's overwhelming. You just want to know how to do your makeup on a budget, but oh my god, there's always a new product coming out every single day, so I'll try and simplify this for you. When I started out 8 or 7 years ago, I literally had two palettes for everything. I had one of those BH Cosmetics palettes that I use specifically for colorful eyeshadow looks, and one of those Morphe palettes that I use for everything. So eyeshadow, contour, lip liner, highlight, and even blush at times. So I have two recommendations that will probably change over time. Starting with the Colourpop Rock Candy palette, it has your neutrals, shimmers, filled with eyeshadow, highlighting your nose, cheekbones, and if you're into highlighting, you could be spoiled like I am. It also has contour shades that can also be used as lip liner. Now for my dark skin girlies, when it comes to contour, and if you just love a dark brown lip liner, these two shades are not enough. So my first option is the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and this has a lot more shades that can work on anyone depending on how and what you choose to use them for. Now this one has numbers for shade names, so I'll just put the numbers somewhere on the screen. I think it's better to use powders instead of creams or liquids to contour as a beginner, because it's easier to go heavy-handed on the creams the first application, and if they're very pigmented, you might either have to blend for a while or completely wipe it off. But with powder, it's easier because you can just dust it off or slowly build it up when applying. I'm using this shade for highlight. I don't always highlight the cheekbones because this sometimes emphasizes texture, but I usually go for the nose, cupid's bow, and inner corner. Finally, my favorite bit is a lip liner, and I'm mixing the same shades that I use for contour. You want to use a thin and slightly angled brush like these. Make sure to blend it inwards and sideways. Blend, blend, blend. Now you can go in with the lipstick, tinted gloss, but you can go further with this palette and use a shade like this. Take a flat brush and pack it in the center, then blend it just a little, then top it off with your favorite lip oil or gloss. I use the ABH Crystal Gloss. There's a number of things that can be versatile, like the eyeshadow palette. You can use the same brow pencil as a lip liner and vice versa. You can use a makeup sponge to blend your liquid and cream products, put on your setting powder, and tap in your setting spray at the end. Like, you don't need multiple brushes for every step of your routine. And that's about it. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else for the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!